In this section, let me go ahead and teach you how to properly structure your applications within a Spring Boot application. So from this diagram, which is also available in the description of this video, usually when we build applications, we kind of have the client. So this would be a person or a React application, Angular, or even a mobile application. And technically we want to talk to the backend, right? So usually the client will send a request, and this request will be either a post, get, delete, or put. So here we have the REST layer. So this is where we have the RESTful resources. So all of these four most of the time. Then what happens is the request from the REST layer goes to the service layer, and the service layer is responsible for performing validation, and this is mainly the business logic of our domain. And then the service layer talks to the data access, so data access, which is responsible for talking to any of the database of choice, either Redis, Postgres, MySQL, MongoDB, and others. And then the DAO layer sends back the data back to the service layer with some transformation right here. And you'll see when we touch upon Spring Data JPA. And then the service layer is responsible to send the request all the way back. And then the REST layer sends the response to the client. So the client sends a request and it gets back a response. So usually this is the flow that you will end up doing most of the times. And all of this is actually called the N-tier architecture. Very simple, but really, really important that you follow this convention when building your applications. Next, let me go ahead and show you within IntelliJ how to structure your code to follow this convention right here.